Welcome to this step-by-step guide on updating content on a WordPress website, designed to help you complete the process efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once the website loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on this button will prompt the login interface to appear, setting the stage for you to access your account. After clicking login, you will be provided with several options to sign in. For this tutorial, you will use the option that indicates you can continue with your Google account. Selecting this method allows WordPress to authenticate your access quickly and securely. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of your available accounts will be displayed. Choose the account you wish to use in order to sign into your dashboard. Make sure that the account you select is the one associated with your website to ensure a smooth transition into the content management area. With your account now active, navigate to the Posts section of your WordPress dashboard. This is where all of your website's published and draft posts are managed. The dashboard interface is designed for simplicity, and finding the Posts section is straightforward. Once you have located it, click on the Posts section to view the list of posts currently stored on your website. As you review your posts, identify the specific content that you want to update. The next step is to click on the Edit action associated with that particular post. This will open the post for editing in a dedicated interface, displaying all of the current content and layout elements contained within it. At this stage, take a moment to scan through the post carefully. Assess which sections require modification, whether it is textual revisions, updated images, or alterations in formatting. This is your opportunity to make the necessary changes that will improve the clarity, accuracy, or visual appeal of your content. After you have carefully applied your updates to the content, it is time to save your changes. Direct your attention once again to the top right corner of the editing screen, where you will find a button clearly labeled Save. Clicking on Save ensures that all your modifications are recorded in the system. It is important to verify that your changes have been saved by checking that the content displays correctly within the editing interface. This streamlined process of signing into WordPress with your Google account, navigating to the Posts section, opening a specific post for editing, and finalizing your updates by clicking Save is designed to be both efficient and user-friendly. It reflects an approach that minimizes the number of steps while ensuring that you maintain full control over your website's content. Take this opportunity to regularly review and update your posts to keep your website current and engaging for your visitors. By following these instructions, you will be able to update your WordPress website with confidence and ease. The straightforward nature of this process means that even those with limited technical experience can successfully manage and update their site. Enjoy the simplicity of WordPress content management and feel empowered as you maintain a dynamic online presence with fresh, up-to-date information.